Okay, so a question was asked again about section 5.7, page 329, number 13. What you're called to do here is expand this binomial raised to the 10th power. And this is using Pascal's pyramid or Pascal's triangle. And you should take a look at that. We'll go over it again in class tomorrow, but basically you maintain a outside row of ones, and then what you're doing is just adding up the previous row. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And then 2 plus 1 equals 3. Maintaining your outside rows of ones, then we just do the same thing. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5, and so on. And that just continues all the way down. You can pause this and kind of look at how I came up with this 10th row. And this simply means the highest order exponent. Okay, and so again, I'm giving you the generic, so this is a plus b to the 10th power. So I'm kind of working this out using a plus b, because this will be your format regardless of what your a and b values are. So, and where these numbers go, where these numbers go, the 1, the 10, the 45, the 120, the 210, and so on, these go here. These are your coefficients. So this 1 goes here, this 10 goes here, 45 goes here, and so on. Oops, I miswrote that there. There we go. And so those are your coefficients. And then what you're doing is you're doing a to the 10th. So whatever this term is, a to the 10th. And then b to the 0. And remember, no matter what b is, anything to the 0 power is just 1, so that's going to go away. But I want to account for it, because what I want you to see is the a to the 9th to the, basically you're just decreasing the a term by 1, and then your b term is 0, 1, 2, so while you're decreasing the a term by 1, you're increasing the b term by 1, until a goes to the 0, and b gets all the way up to the 10th power. And if you follow that through, now what I do is then I replace a. So what I did here was just simplify this one from here. In other words, we don't need to write b to the 0 because that's just 1. And then, so just simplify it. Then I replace a with x and b with 2. And I just go through and do the computations until I get all the way to here. And you can kind of pause the video and just look at those to make sure that you can see where the calculations are coming from. But again, we'll go over this in class tomorrow.